Here I'm going to explain you the remaining part of the paper. Uh, Midterm paper 9709 December 2023, right? So here the question is B part of the same question. We have to solve the equation this one 5 equal to 5 for this domain. So in the part A, as we have proved this whole result equal to 4 over 5 cos square theta minus 4, and that is equal to 5. So we'll simplify it. So we'll get 4 is equal to 25 cos square theta minus 20. So 25 cos square theta goes to be 24. Cos square theta is 24 by 25. So cos theta will be plus minus square root 24 by 25. So as we know, in the four quadrants, the domain is 0 to 180. Maximum it can fall here or here. So this quadrant is not interested. So theta will be here, and here it will be 180 minus theta. So first find theta. When cos theta is positive 24 by 25, 24 by 25, we'll get theta is equal to cos inverse of 24 by 25 by using calculator 11.5 degree, right? And as it is in the fourth quadrant, is positive, we are not interested with this one, so let it be here. And the second value when cos theta is negative, because here in the second quadrant it is negative, so this will be minus 24 by 25. So theta value, other value will be, this is less than 0 here in the second quadrant. 180 minus 11.5, that will be 168.5 degree. That is your final answer for this part. I hope you got it. Okay guys, this is a question taken from the topic function. F and G are defined as follows: f of x as this one and g of x this one. Given that f of 7 is equal to 5 by 2 and g of 5 is equal to 4, find a and b. Okay, from first part, f of 7, let's see. In the function f, we will substitute x with 7, 1 plus 2a over 7 minus a, and that gives us equal to 5 by 2. So take the some basic operations in mathematics. Yes, we are interested to find a here. 5 by 2 minus 1. So 2a over 7 minus a will give us 3 by 2. Do the cross multiplication. 4a equal to 21 minus 3a. 7a becomes 21. So a equal to 3. Now go with the second part. Okay, now for the other case, we have to find first f of 5. F of 5, because that is the input for g. F of 5 will be with a3. Already we got a3. So from here, 1 plus 3 to the 6 over 5 minus 3. Okay, here, and after simplifying, we'll get 1 plus 2, 3 is 6. So it is 4. Okay, f of 5 is 4. Now we need to substitute this f of 5 in g function. With a is 3, and we will get g f of 5 equal to what? 4 b minus 2 equal to 4. That is because it's given equal to 4. So it goes to 6 is equal to 4b. B is equal to 6 by 4. That is 3 by 2 is the value of b. Right. Now for the b part of this question, it's given for the set of this question, rest of this question, for the rest of this question, you should use the value of a which you have found in part A find the domain of F inverse. Okay, what to do for this case? We have to find the domain of F inverse, and here, as we know that f of x was, sorry, f of x was given 1 plus, with a is 3, right? A already we got 3, so I'm going to put 2 times 3 is 6 over x minus 3 for x is greater than a. As we know, domain of f inverse is equal to what? That is equal to range of f by definition. So from the function we will get the range first. So here it is pretty much clear that a is equal to 3. So if I substitute a3, it will not be defined. So all the values of x which is greater than 3, I will substitute. It will always be bigger than, answer will be bigger than 1. So I can write domain of f inverse, domain f inverse equal to x is greater than 1, because whatever the value you will substitute here in greater than 3, it will be always, answer will be always greater than 1. That's the answer. Okay, fine. This is one more question, just you need to write this answer. And here the next part, find an expression of the f inverse. From here, as we have f of x is equal to 1 plus 6 over x minus 3, so simplify to make x as a subject. We will solve it. F of x minus 1 equal to 6 over x minus 3. Reverse both sides or do the cross multiplication, we get x minus 3 and 6 over f of x minus 1. X comes to be 3 plus 6 over f of x minus 1. So that is my f inverse of x. 3 plus 6 over x minus 1. So here goes the final result of f inverse expression. I hope you got it. Okay, here's a 2 marks question. The first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression are given to be, first 3 terms, it means you are given this 2 marks question. So first term is a, that is p square by 6. Second, a plus d is 2p minus 6. And third, a plus 2d equal to p. This is all given. Given that the common difference of the progression is not 0, find the value of p. Okay, we have to find the value of p when the common difference is not 0. So what to do? We can label this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. So if I can find the value of, from 2 and 3, a plus d is equal to 2p minus 6 and a plus 2d equal to p. If I minus them, a goes, d is equal to p minus 6, right? Minus d is equal to p minus 6, so d is equal to 6 minus p. Yes, this is what I just calculated d so far. Now from 1 and 3, if I substitute the value of a from 1 in 3 or in 2, it's up to you. Okay, you can do the simplification up to your own. We need to solve these simultaneously. So p square by 6, value of a, plus 2 here in 3. What is d? I'm going to write 6 minus p equal to p. So I get multiply 6 throughout, multiplying by 6 each term. Here we got p square plus 12, 6 are 72, minus what comes 12p equal to p. Here I goes rest of part, p square. This becomes, once you multiply this with p, it becomes 6p, right? So I'll get p square minus 12p minus 6p plus 72 equal to 0, p square minus 18p plus 72 equal. This is a quadratic equation. Now I can use a calculator, mod 5 3 to solve this quadratic. So I will get, or you can make factors or complementary square. What is, I get p12 and p6, these two values. But out of these two I need to select one, because that the common difference of progression is not 0. So here we need to check now. If I replace p equal to 6, say where, here in 4, so d becomes 0, which is not possible, which contradicts the situation, which is not up to, not justifying, you cannot justify the statement. So but at p is equal to 12, you will see yes, d exists, it justifies. So final answer, final value of p is 12. I hope it's clear. Again, it's 2 marks question for B. Using this value, what we get is a p was 9 value. It means in the first part we did p is equal to 12. So using this value, find the sum of infinity to progression with the two terms. It means first term, first two terms. A is what? P square by 6 mean 12 square by 6, 144 by 6, 6 to the 12, 6 4 the 24. Okay, we can get the first term. First term was what? In geometric progression, first term was a, so value of a is 24. Also it's given the second, first two terms, no? Second term, it means a r is what? 2p minus 6. So p was 12 and a is this one, so we can write what r will be 2p minus 6 by a. When p is 12 and a is 24, we will get 24 minus 6 over 24, 18 by 24, 6 3s are 6 4, 3 by 4. So r is what? 3 by 4. But we have to find the sum to infinity. So here I can write sum to infinity of gp is a over 1 minus r. So a was 24 and 1 minus 3 by 4. So final answer will be 24 times 1 by 4. So 24 times 4, 96 is the sum to infinity. That is the answer. Okay, similarly proceed to the next question. Okay guys, here the next question is given at the point this no, let me, it's a little upish, yeah, yes. In question number 9 guys, it's given at the point 4 minus 1 on a curve. The gradient of the curve is this, and given that dy by dx is x power minus 1 by 2 plus k, where k is constant, show that k is equal to minus 2. So it's a simple case study. dy by dx as represent the the gradient, so I can write minus 3 by 2 equal to x power minus 1 by 2 plus k is 1 marks question. So we need to find k at point 4 and minus 1. Do replace x with 4 here. I will get minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 power minus 1 by 2 plus k. On the calculator, once you simplify it, where k is equal to minus 2, we'll get this answer, right? Here, next find x coordinates of the stationary point. For the stationary point, we know dy by d of x should equal to 0 for stationary point always. So here we get x minus 1 by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This 2 comes value of k. So x power minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So we'll on the calculator we'll take negative power on both sides. X will be 2 power minus 2 minus, and it will be 1 by 4. So x coordinates of the stationary points are x equal 1 by 4. Now finally state find nature of the stationary point. For the nature we know we need to find d2y by d of x square, and here it comes to be minus what comes minus 1 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2. When you differentiate this result again, the result here or from here, okay, the same thing. Now we need to replace the stationary point at x is equal to 1 by 4, x coordinate of stationary point. We get d2y by d of x square. When x is 1 by 4, we'll get minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4 power 3 by 2. Our answer is, because of this minus, it is less than 0. That means negative. Therefore, nature of the stationary point is maximum. I hope it is clear. Okay, guys. Okay, students. For the question number 10, the second last question of this paper, it is given that diagram shows this triangle ABC, which angle A is a right angle. The length of the AB is 8 centimeter and the length of BC is 4 centimeter. The point D on AB is such that it is blah blah blah. It is given. We have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. So this shaded region we have to find all the perimeter of this shaded region. Fine. So for the perimeter we need required perimeter, we need length AC plus AC arc, right? So if we take this as a whole unshaded triangle, that is the part of this, like this, and this is 5 plus 3, this total length goes to be 8 A and B, and height is 4. So I can find by the Pythagoras theorem, this will be 8 square plus 4 square, 64 plus 16, that gives me 80 square root. So AC is equal to 80, 8 square plus 4 square, that is root 80. We can let it be as it is. Now arc AB. For arc length, we know we need some angle. Suppose this angle is x, and this will be this will be pi minus x, and suppose that is equal to theta. That will help us to find this arc length, right? The shaded one. So here I can apply in triangle DBC, tan x is equal to what it comes through proper brush. So it was 3, so 3 4 by 3, so x will be tan inverse of 4 by 3. And here guys, you need to be very careful. First do change the mode of calculator in radian, because you are doing the circular measure. So reading should be arc length is topic of circular measure, it should be in radian. So x comes to be 0.927 radian. So what comes theta then? Then theta will be pi minus 0.927, that comes to be 2.21 radian. So I got the value of theta. Now it's so simple that arc AC will be arc length. We know the formula, r times theta. This is r is what? R is from here till here, it is r, because radius, that is 5 given in the question here. Because if you see the original figure, this is what? This is r. So it is 5, so it will be 5. So 5 times the theta is 2.21. We will get 11.07 centimeter. So finally, our required perimeter, that is shaded one, is equal to AC, that was root 80 plus 11.09. The calculator, we will get P shaded is equal to what? 20.0 centimeter. That's my answer for the first part of this question. Now for the second part, find the area of the shaded region. Yes, area of shaded region will be, we need to find, there are different approaches. I'm going to go get it. Area of triangle ADC. First find, it is half AB sine theta is theta. Sine theta is 2.21 in radian mode. I will get 10.03 centimeter square area of triangle. Now area of sector, area of sector ACD, we can find half r square theta. So half r is 5 square and theta is 2.21. So we'll get 27.63. Therefore, required shaded area is the difference of 27.63 minus 10.03. We get 17.60 centimeter square. That's the final answer of this part. Let's proceed to the final question. Okay, here's the question. Equation of a curve is given where k is a positive constant, find dy by dx. So simple, as the power rule is here, dy by d of x equal to k times d by d of x, 4x plus 1 power 1 by 2 minus d by d of x plus d by d of x of, I did the step. And now it's 2 marks question, you can do it directly. Yeah, power rule, power, make 1 less from power, become minus 1 by 2, and differential of function will be 4, and this is 1, and the constant derivative is 0. So my final answer is just 2 to the 4, yeah, 2k over square root 4x plus 1 is my final answer, minus 1 is my final answer, right? This is the 2 marks. Now in the final part, given that k is 10.5, find the equation of the normal. We have to find to the curve at the point. We have to find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point where the tangent of the curve makes an angle of this one. We know angle mean that is theta. We know tan theta is equal to m. So and theta is equal to tan inverse of m. So here it is given that tan inverse of 2 is equal to what? Theta. So I can say m is equal to 2. Therefore, equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. This is the equation of normal. For this I need to find the point, and rest is fine for the point. So first of all, we know dy by d of x is what? 2. M is what? Dy by dx, because m represent dy by d of x, that is given to be to us 2, gradient. This means here I can write dy by df, that is 2. So in the question, what was dy by 2k over 4x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 2, right? Because here I got it in the first part, dy by dx, so I substitute it here. So simplify, 4x plus 1 equal to 3. So, and what was k? We have to, k is given to be here 10.5. So 10.5 times 2 makes 21. is equal to, I did the cross multiplication as well, 3 times of 4x plus 1 divided by 3, 7 is equal to 4x plus 1, 49 minus 1 is equal to 4x, so x goes to be 48, x is equal to 12, so coordinate of x comes to be 12 here, and here now we need to proceed. I'm going to take switching here this side. Okay, x is 12. Now what will be the y, because I need y as well. So from 1 you can say take it here. So here I need to finish it from 1 at x equal to 12 and k is equal to 10.5. I will put the values here, replace x and k in 1 in the calculator. I will get y equal to 66.5. These are the points at which the normal is going to be found. So therefore required equation of normal at point 12 and 66.5 with m is what, 2, becomes y minus y1 66.5 equal to minus 1 over 2 times x minus 12. That is the final result. I hope you got it, and if you have any query while understanding any question, please feel free to speak and write in comments. Thank you.